Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change username on Instagram before 14 days. So guys, if you have recently changed your Instagram username, now you want to change it again, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open your App Store or Play Store and then search here for Instagram, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of Instagram app on your device or update it to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply open your Instagram again and then go to your profile and then go to three lines button and then wait here for some seconds and tap on account center. Go to your profiles and then go to Instagram profile, tap on username and try to change your username from here. So guys, if you're unable to change it, then you have to simply go back and then you have to simply scroll it below all the way and tap on help, and from here tap on report problem and then tap on report problem without shaking and then tap on don't include and continue. And from here you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way that you are unable to change your username on Instagram, and then you have to simply submit this report to the Instagram team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this you will be able to change the username again. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.